Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sri Guruvayurappa Saranam. Dasaka 59 of Narayaniyam is Venugana Varnana, that is Krishna playing the flute. Srimad Bhagavatam Dasamam, chapter 21 is condensed in this Dasaka of Narayaniyam. The transcendental flute song of Sri Krishna is extremely pleasing to the hearts of all the Vrajastris and reminds them of their most beloved Sri Krishna. When standing in a threefold bending posture under a Kadamba tree in the forest of Vrindavan, Krishna puts his most fortunate flute to his soft red lips and blows into its holes. A most divine melody springs forth, which makes the flowing Yamuna river stand still and forces the cows to stop chewing the grass in their mouths and instead listen with great rapture to the flute song of their beloved Gopal. The calves who were busy drinking the milk from the udders of their mothers forget to drink and rather perch up their ears to listen to Krishna's flute. The deers, peacocks, parrots, and all the other forest animals stop their activities and listen with great attention while the stones of Govardhan melt in ecstasy and the trees dance. Pouring his love for his dear devotees in his flute, when Krishna calls the names of the cows and cowherd boys with the flute, they all immediately run towards him, desiring to lick and embrace him. Gopastris, whose minds were filled with love for Krishna, were eager to see Krishna always and became unable to bear Krishna's departure even to the forest in the daybreak. Gopikas who were overcome by attachment towards Bhagavan thus became indifferent to all other worldly actions. That means attachment to one or anything other than God causes bondage. But attachment to God only leads to liberation. But Gopikas were blessed with such attachment to Krishna. Attachment to any one thing or any person comes naturally, but attachment to Bhagavan will come only with great effort. To gopis, attachment which is natural to everyone was towards Krishna, and thus this attachment itself became the means of liberation for them. Now we will see the Narayaniya slogans on Venugana Varnana. Twadvapurnavakalaye komalam प्रेमदोहनमशेषमोहनं ब्रह्मतत्त्वपरचिन्मुदात्मकं वीक्ष्य सम्मुमुहुरन्वहं स्त्रियः. Day after day, the Gopikas saw thy form and were captivated. Thy form, beautiful and fresh and soft like the kalaya flower, evoking the sentiment of love. Thy form charmingly enchanting everyone. Thy form, Brahman, indeed, the personification of existence, reality, supreme consciousness, and bliss. That is Sat Chit Ananda. मन्मथोन्मथितमानसाक्रमात् तद्विलोकनरदास्तदस्तदः गोपिकास्तव न सेहिरे हरे काननोपगतिमप्यहर्मुखे. Oh Hare, the minds of these Gopikas were oppressed by Manmada, and because of their love for thee, they were always eager to see thee. Oh Hari, by and by they were unable to bear the separation caused by thy going to the forest early in the morning to tend the cows. निर्गदे भवति दत्तदृष्टयः त्वद्गदेन मनसा मृगेक्षणाः वेणुनादमुपकर्ण्य दूरद त्वद्विलासकथयाभिरेमिरे. When those set out, the gazelle-eyed gopikas had their eyes fixed on thee, with their minds centered on thee. They would listen to the sound of thy flute from afar and revel in narrating and recounting thy various sportive activities. काननान्दमिदवान् भवानपि स्निग्धपादपदले मनोरमे व्यत्ययाकलितपादमास्तिद प्रत्यपूरयद वेणुनाळिकाम्. Having gone to the forest, thou would stand cross-legged under a shady, beautiful tree and kept playing the flute and filling its pipe with life breath. मारबाणधुतखेचरीकुलं निर्विकाशपशुपक्षिमण्डलं द्रावणं च दृशब्दामभिप्रभो तावकं व्यजनि वेणुकूजिदम्. O Hare, the music born out of thy flute shook the celestial damsels with Marabana, that is, Manmada arrows. It made the multitudes of animals and birds motionless and even melted the stones and rocks. वेणुरन्ध्रतलगाङ्गुलीदलं तालसञ्जलितपादपल्लवं तस्सिदं तव परोक्षमप्यहो संविचिन्त्य मुमुहुर्व्रजाङ्गनाः. Thy tender fingertips moved deftly on the stops of the flute, as though kept time tapping thy tender feet. This pose of thine, the Vraja women visualized in their minds again and again and got into a state of ecstasy. Oh, how wonderful! निर्विशङ्गभवदङ्गदर्शिनीः खेजरी खगमृगान् पशूनवी त्वत्पदप्रणयिकाननं च ताः धन्यधन्यमिति नन्वमानयन्. The celestial damsels were able to see thy form without restrictions or hindrance. The birds and animals and cows also could see thy form directly. Even the forest earth was always having contact with thy feet and saw thy form as though roamed about. The Gopikas of Vraja regarded all of them very fortunate and blessed. आपिबेयमधरामृदं कदा वेणुभूक्तरस शेषमेगदा दूरदो बदकृतं दुराशयेति आगुला मुहुरिमा समामुहन्. Oh, when for once we will imbibe the nectar of thy lips, the last of it left over by the flute. Far-fetched indeed is this greed. Thus the Gopikas lamented again and again and were in great distress and despair. प्रत्यहं च पुनरित्थमङ्गनाः चित्तयो निजनिदादनुग्रहाद् बद्धरागविवशास्त्वयि प्रभो नित्यमापुरिह कृत्यमूढदाम्. Day after day and again in this manner, Manmada caused promptings to the Gopikas. This was in a way a blessing to them, as it made them so bonded in attachment towards thee that they became helpless and so always attained indifference in the worldly concerns. रागस्तावज्जायते हि स्वभावाद् मोक्षो वायो यत्नदस्यान्यवा स्याद् तासां त्वेगं तद्वयं लब्धमासीद् भाग्यं भाग्यं पाहि मां मारुदेश. Indeed, attachment comes in the natural course. In spite of much effort, the means of liberation may or may not be achieved. For the Gopikas, attachment to thee served as both, as they attained liberation as a result. Oh, fortunate indeed they were. Hare Guruvayurappa, save me. Here we will also listen to the Bhagavata sloga. Barhabidam Nadavarababu Karnayo Karnigaram Bibradvasa Kanagakabisham Vaijayandim Chamalam Randran Veno Ratharasudaya Purayan Gopa Vrindaihi Vrindaranyam Swabadaramanam Pravishat Gita Kirtihi. Hare Namaha. We have completed Dashakam 59 of Narayaniyam. Before closing this video, we will listen to Sati Suresh's bhajan song.
ശരണാഗതൻ മാർഗിഷ്ട വരദാനം ചെയ്തോ ചെമ്മേ ശരണാഗതൻ മാർഗിഷ്ട വരദാനം ചെയ്തോ ചെമ്മേ ഗുരുവായൂർ പൂരം തന്നിൽ ഗുരുവായൂർ പൂരം തന്നിൽ മരുവുമഖില ദുരിതഹരണ ഭഗവൻ കരുണ ചെയ്വാൻ എന്തു താമസം കൃഷ്ണ കഴലീന കൈയേന്തി